what my spoiled dogs eat in a day. A little wet food. Then our jerky chicken from yesterday that we made on the dehydrator. A little lean beef. There you go. Uh-oh. So Bruiser doesn't care for raw beef much. Your meat. He drops like it actually raw, right in front of the stove. It's like, oh, I'm cooking my meat. Almost as if he knows he wants me to cook it for him. There you go. Tore it up. Some kale. They really don't care for it much. I don't think so, Mommy. No. I think that bear just likes ripping it up and leaving it on the floor. Now it's the 4th and the fireworks have already started. It's not even dark. So I give them a little catnip. It actually calms them down. Hanny is really going through it. He's so stressed out right now. I hope this calms him down. His little heart is pounding. Bear, he looks pretty calm, but I'm gonna give him some catnip too. They love catnip. Oh, Hanny, it's gonna be such a long night, sweetie. Happy 4th of July, everybody.